Hey everyone, Jan here today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can automate your meeting transcripts that you get from Fireflies when you invite Fireflies, which helps you to transcribe conversations and then saves those transcriptions for you within the Fireflies cloud. And now we want to take these Fireflies cloud documents and write them to a Google Drive folder, and we have a Google Drive folder path with different folders within it. And then we want to write the transcript automatically to the correct folder. So we're having here like a file folder sort mechanism, as well as we can extract the Fireflies transcript and convert this into like a specific format that we would like to have. The workflow gets triggered every time we get a new email, and every time we get an email from Fred@Fireflies.ai, which is the email domain that Fireflies uses to send you the transcriptions of the calls after the call is ended. Afterwards, we are using a new agent, and in this agent we are giving it the Fireflies tools, which is search and fetch. So we say find the transcript and actually get the content of the transcript. Afterwards, we use an HTTP request to get actually the full content, every single word that has happened in the conversation, not just the summary of Fireflies or the content that Fireflies MCP server gives back. This is not necessarily needed. We could also just work with the summary or the content that the remote MCP server provides. But if you want to have a more detailed overview of this conversation, you can also use this HTTP request to get every single note and word that has been mentioned within the conversation, because this is extracting every single phrase. Also, we have up here a new agent, and we say find the folder and get the ID for the folder that is the most relevant folder within this path here. So if we go here and we look at this path, we see that there are different folders, and based on the conversation it states it finds the right folder. And we can also adjust this prompt here to create a meeting note which we would like to have. In this case we have the overview, the discussion points, decisions that has been made, the action items, and the next steps. Finally, we have a new AI agent that we say create a file within the appropriate folder, and the file name should be titled by the date and participant. And if we run this node, we give it a tool here which is create file from text, a Google Drive tool, and then once we execute this, we can see that inside the folder here there's currently no file. But if we just wait a bit, we see that it finally executed, and if we now go here to the folder, we see that the file has been created. So you see, you can, with this needle workflow, convert your Fireflies notes and write them directly into the Google Drive folder and format them in a way customized to how you would like to format this notes or these transcriptions from the call. You just need to use this workflow, which is a template that we provide for you. You can see it in the link. And just connect your different tools here. In this case, I connected Gmail, Google Drive, and Fireflies, and you're ready to go to automatically sort your Fireflies transcriptions into the right folders and abstract them in a way that you would like to have them. Thank you very much for watching, and never not automate with Needle. See you soon.